सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमधिकं प्रच्छन्नगुप्तं धनं विद्या भोगकरी यशस्सुखकरी विद्या गुरूणां गुरुः विद्या बन्धुजनो विदेशगमने विद्या परा देवता विद्या राजसुपूजिता न तु धनं विद्या विहीनः पशुः। नमस्कारः, स्वागतम्। गतकक्षायाम् 11 श्लोकः अस्माभिः पठितं। भर्तृहरिनीतिशतकात् 11 श्लोकः पूर्णतया पठितं, परन्तु तत्सम्बन्धी अभ्यासः शेषः वर्तते। अभ्यासः न प्रारब्धः मन्ये। वी डिड नाट् स्टार्ट् दि एक्ससैस्, वी आर् इन् द बिगिनिङ्ग्। अभ्यासस्य आरम्भे वर्तामहे वयम्। अद्य व्याकरणम् इति यः अंशः वर्तते ततः अस्माकं पठनं प्रारभते। श्रीनिवास, सन्देहः। सूर्यातपः। यदि समास विग्रहं कथनीयं सूर्यस्य आतपः, षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास। नागेन्द्रः गुणसन्धि। नागानाम् इन्द्रः पुनः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समास। निशिताङ्कुशेन दीर्घसन्धि। सो दीर्घसन्धि द्वयं गुणसन्धि पुनः विसर्गसन्धि। व्याधिर्भेषज संग्रहैः इति विसर्गसन्धि। ओ अन्ये सन्धयः सन्ति अत्र। संग किं तत् संग्रहैश्च च्युत्वा विविधैर्मन्त्रप्रयोगैः विसर्गसन्धि। प्रयोगैर्विषं पुनः विसर्गसन्धि। सर्वस्यौषधं नास्त्यौषधं। यदि अन्यमेकं सन्धिं तत्र पश्यामः, न अस्ति दीर्घसन्धिः अस्ति। नास्ति नास्ति इति पदे अपि तत्र सन्धिः वर्तते। न अस्ति अनन्तरं यण् सन्धिः। एवं सन्धयः। समासाः अपि बहवः सन्ति अत्र। ख भागे हुतबुक्। हुतं दत्तं भुनक्ति भुङ्क्ति इति। वाट् इस् गिवन् अग्नौ हुतम् आहुतिं भुङ्क्ते खादति भुनक्ति। भुनक्ति इति सवर्णदीर्घसन्धि। भुनक्ति इति। भुज इस् द धातु टू eat. Bhuja, bhojana comes from that. Bhunakti, or it is Uvayapada, 7th Gana, Bhunkti. Bhunkti, Bhunjate, like in the Gita sloka. Bhunjate tu agham papam ye pachante atmakaranat yagnasistyashino santaha मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः। यज्ञशिष्टाः अशिनः मुच्यन्ते सर्वकिल्बिषैः सर्वपापैः। भुञ्जते तु अघं पापं ये पचन्ति आत्मकारणात्। आत्मार्थम् आत्मनः तृप्त्यर्थं ये पचन्ति पाकं कुर्वन्ति ते केवलं पापं खादन्ति इति। एवं भुज धातोः प्रयोग स्मृत्या अहं तदुक्तवान्। ओके। हुतं भुनक्ति इति। ईटर ऑफ व्हाट इज सैक्रिफाइस्ड। सूर्यातपः सूर्यस्य आतपः। जस्ट लाइक नागेन्द्रः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष। निशिताङ्कुशेन निशितस्य गोगर्दभौ गो गौश्च गौश्च गर्दभश्च द्वन्द्व गौश्च गोशब्दस्य प्रथमायां गौः गावौ गावः गां गावौ गाः द्वितीया बहुवचने गाः गवा गोभ्यां गोभिः गवा तृतीयायां गोभ्यां गोभिः ओकारान्त गोशब्दः सो गौः प्रथमायां गौः गावौ गावः गन्धेन पश्यन्ति गावः इति कश्चन एकं सुभाषितम् अस्माभिः पठितं पूर्वं गावो गन्धेन पश्यन्ति वेदैः पश्यन्ति राजानः अन्यस्यां कक्षायामपि रावमहाभागेन पाठितं तत् गावः गन्धेन पश्यन्ति एनिमल्स् ऐडेण्टिफै थिङ्ग्स् वित् स्मेल् सो गो शब्द दट् इस् भेषज संग्रहैः भेषजानां संग्रहः समूहः मन्त्रप्रयोगैः मन्त्राणां प्रयोगः मन्त्रप्रयोगः तैः मन्त्रप्रयोगैः शास्त्रविहितं शास्त्रेषु विहितम् उक्तम् एवं समासाः कृदन्त चत्वारि पदानि कृदन्त शक्यः शक् इति धातुः ण्यत् प्रत्यय वारयितुं वारि इति तत्र मुद्रणदोषः अस्ति वृ उरु उरि वरणे वृ उरु इति धातुः नो नो धातु इस् नाट् वारि वारि इस् राङ्ग् वृ धातु वरणे वृणोति वृणीते एट्सेट्रा वृणुते एट्सेट्रा इस् देर् which is ubhayapadi vrunoti vrunutah vrunvanti so vru plus tumun vru it is not vari if it is vari then it becomes vari shabda ikaranta napumsakalinga vari varini varini this is not somehow printing mistake vyadhi vi upasarga ang api upasarga dha iti dhatu ki iti pratyaya so you have two upasargas here vi ang dha ki from yes that is vyadhi. So vyadhi, if you analyze this word vi visheshena a samantat, that which encircles you from all around, that is called vyadhi. A disease which encircles you from all around, a deadly disease it could be like any pranantaka rogaha vyadhi. विहितं वि उपसर्ग हि इति धातुः हि विहितं छन्दः शार्दूल विक्रीडितं 19 syllables in each pada एकोन विंशति अक्षराणि प्रत्येकं तत्र पङ्क्तौ प्रत्येकस्मिन् एकस्मिन् पादे एकोनविंशति अक्षराणि सन्ति तत्र शार्दूल विक्रीडितस्य या विद्यानामनरस्य रूपमिति श्लोकः अपि शार्दूलविक्रीडिते अस्ति. So the definition of this is already given on page 41. We are on page 80 now. Almost go back 50% back. 41 page it is given. Lakshana. Shashta slokasya vivarana avasare dattam. It was given in the 8th poem's description. We can go back and see that. Then Kosha is coming. You can show them, Srinivas. Print out. First Jalam. Any printout for this? No.
For this I don't think it is.
Just check 80.
86 we have. This is 70, sorry, 8.
I'm getting confused. So many notes I am preparing. So Medini Kosha, I think I have not touched it. I did not give any note, I think, for printing. Not there, na? Anyway, we'll see. This Jalam is there, na, Srinivas? Medini Kosha is given, not Amara Kosha as usually we are referring. Pathas, that is Napumsakalinga Shabda. Pato ke gnau. Jale Klevam. Ke could be come, not come, but come. Agnihi, Agnau. Maybe in Medini Kosha these are the synonyms. I did not refer to this. These are Klevam means Napumsakalinga Shabdas. That Agni Shabda is Pullinga, but Jala Shabda is Napumsakalinga. Klevam means Napumsakarthi. Pathas is there. That is also Napumsaka. That K Shabda come, I think it is also Napumsakalinga. Only Agnau is there, that could be Pullinga. And Jala Shabda is known to us as Napumsaka. That is Medini Kosha. Now why it is, how it is interpreted, I could not access this. Salilam, Kamalam, Jalam, I think we have given this in some page already. We have supplied this. Salati, Sadati, etc. So Surya Shabda is there now. This I think, Surya. This also I don't know whether we have given Medini Kosha coming from Medini. Surya is interpreted as Su, Suvati, Prerane, Preranarte. Su Prerane, there is a dhatu which becomes Divadigana, Tudadigana, 6th class. Su Preranarte. Suvati, Suvataha, Suvanti. So this is interpreted Suvati Karmani Lokam. Surya is he, that person. Suvati Prerayati Karmani Athava Karmasu Lokam. Lokam Prerayati. Suvati Nama Prerayati. Comes Suvati Lokam Suvati. Lokam Prerayati. Samastam Lokam Karmani Karmasu Prerayati. The moment sun rises, he makes the world he activates the world. He makes them engage in works. Karmani prerayati. Lokam prerayati. He activates, he instigates, he prompts, whatever you say, he propels the world to activity by his rise. Udayena. Suryaha Udayena Lokam prerayati. Suvati Nama prerayati. Suvati iti Suryaha. Wonderful. Because with the, human beings may not. Vayam manavahana uttistamaha suryodaya parantu pashupakshyadayah sarvepi jantavaha pashavaha ye santi praninaha te suryodaya samaye eva uttishtanti manava matram vihaya manavapi tatra uttishtanti natu sarve manavaha. So that is how it is beautifully explained. Surya Suvati Karmani Lokam Prerayati iti. Surya Upanishad is
one line is Tvameva Karma Kartasi.
Tvameva Karma Kartasi. Saeva Karma Karta Karma Karayati. Natu Karoti Swayam Karmani Karayati. Asmabhihi Karmani Karayati. That is how it is given. Then one more interpretation. Then Suvati Prerayati Vyapareshu iti. Vyapareshu, in our business activities. So Udayena Suryaha Sarvan Tatra Sarvani Jivani Tatra Vyapareshu Karmasu Tatra Prerayati iti. That is also one interpretation. Vyapara is there means any activity. Vyapara, not business. Then we have Bhaswan. Srinivas?
Yeah.
Bhaswan is interpreted Bhaso Asya Santi iti. Bhasaha Bhaha Bhasau Bhasaha. This is Sakaranta Pumlinga Shabda. Prathama Bhaha Bhasau Bhasaha iti Bahuvachana Rupam. Prathama Vibhaktau Bahuvachana Rupam. Bhaha भासौ भासः भासः अस्य सन्ति इति भास्वान् he who has the what do you call illuminations luster or you call say brilliances, the one who has all the brilliances in him, yasya sarve bhasvaha yasmin santi sa bhasman bhaso asya bhaso. No, but here it looks bhasaha is looking like ekavachana, this is bahuvachana. Bhaha bhasau bhasaha bhas shabda. Similarly we have bhaskaraha, bhasam karoti iti bhaskaraha, one who makes the light, that means one who makes the day. Divasam karoti iti bhaskaraha nama bhasam. Then you come to the dvitiya, bhaha bhasau bhasaha pratama, bhasam bhasau bhasaha. So this bhasam is second case, dvitiya, bhasam karoti iti bhaskaraha. I think it is there, bhaskara is not given. So bhaswan, bhaskara is there. Next is bhaskara is explained. Surya yoho, Surya is already explained. Then arkaha, we go to arkaha. Archyata iti arkaha, archyate iti, archyate iti arkaha, one who is worshipped. Purataha sandhyayam sayam sandhyayam yaha manavaihi sarvaihi tatra archyate pujyata iti arkaha. Archa pujayam is the dhatu there. I think this I have not given the printout. I think few are there, I did not take bother to. So archa pujayam, so from that they say chakara sthane kakaraha tatra bhavati archa. Surya is already done. Then what is there? Suryaha Aryama is there. Aryama shabda, Aryaman shabda. This is nakaranta shabda, Aryaman. Aryama, Aryamano, Aryamanaha. You have to look into Shabda Manjari. Shabda Manjaryam ayam shabdaha drashtavyaha eva. Aryaman nakaranta pullinga visesha shabdaha iti. Aryama, Aryamano, Aryamanaha. Aryamanam, Aryamano, Aryamanaha. Aryamona. Oh, Tritiya Aryamona, Aryamoni, Aryamonaha, Aryamoni iti bhinna rupani bhavanti tatra. Aryama means. Now let us go to how it is interpreted. Iyarti, Rugatau, there is a dhatu Srinivas, Rugatau. Iyarti, Gacchati, Iyarti nama Gacchati. Aryama iti nama namnaha namavachakasya व्युत्पत्तिः एवं दर्शितः. उत्पत्ति एवं दर्शिता अस्ति. रु इति धातोः गत्यर्थक अर्थः, गति अर्थः, गतौ, रु गतौ. गच्छति इति, इयर्ति, गच्छति इति अर्यमा. What does it mean? The one who goes, who rises in the east, goes to the west. Purvasmin dishi udeti, anyasmin paschima dishi paschima disham prati gacchati. Tatra arya iyarti nama gacchati. Itaha prarabhya tataha tavat paryantam gacchati iti aryaman shabdasya. That is how they have shown the aryama. And then aryama suro. Again Suraha is there. This is just like Suvati, Prerayati, it is Sura. Surya Shabda and Sura Shabda both are interpreted in same way. Suraha means Suvati, Prerayati, Karmani Lokan. Karmani Lokan, Lokam Va. He, the one who prompts, instigates, activates the people into their respective works. So Suraha it is. Bhanuhu, Next shabda is Bhanu. Bhanu Bha means Prakasha. Where is it? Is missing? My note is missing. Baswan or Yama? It is something like Bhaskara only. Bha is there. Nudati. Bham Nudati. I don't know. Why I did not look into that. Anyway, we'll see that. I can give, but I want an authoritative version. Yes, I could not make a note of it. Next one is Pushan Shabda. Pusha. Pusha is Pushnati iti. Push dhatu is there. Push, pushtau. Pushnati, pushyati. This is 9th class and 4th class. Pushyati, pushnati. Pusha, pushtau, pusti. You understand? Pusti means nourishing. You know how this sun got this name? Because he nourishes the plant life. Not only plant life, Jivakoti. Atra. Sarvan tatra jivani, sarvani jivani tat saha eva poshayati. Tasya bhasa, tasya prakashena, surya prakashena. So pushnati iti pusha. Pusha it is. This is again pushan shabda, nakaranta, pumlinga shabda. Pusha, pushano, pushanaha. That is how it goes. And one more interpretation, because this push dhatu is there in, as I said, 4th class, 1st class, bhuvadigana poshati, pushnati, 9th class, poshati, pushyati, bhuvadigana, 1st gana poshati, push poshati, 4th gana pushyati, 9th gana pushnati, Churadigana, 10th Gana is also there. One dhatu appearing in 4 classes. Chaturshu Ganeshu ayam dhatu upalabhyate. Bhuadiganau tatra poshati iti bhavati. Lat lakare, lati. Tatra divadiganau pushyati iti bhavati. So like that, Churadigane, Antima Gane, poshayati iti pushan. Pushnati iti pushan, poshati iti pushan, pushyati iti pushan. So many interpretations they have given. Ultimately, what does that mean? The one who nourishes, the nourisher. Angla Bhashayam, pusha means nourisher. Next, Dinapranihi. Oh, this is not Amarakosha, but still I do. Dinapranihi. Now, Srinivas, this is a special word. Dinapranihi. This prani shabda should be looked into like Sudhi shabda. Sudhi. Sudhihi, Sudhiyau, Sudhiyaha. Pranihi, Praniyau, Praniyaha. Praniyau, Praniyaha. Sudhihi, Visarga. Pratama. Ekavachane, Sudhihi, Pranihi is there. Dinapranihi. No. This is not Ikaranta. Pranin Shabda. This is again Nakaranta only. Nakaranta. Dhina Pranino. Bahuvachana it is Praniyaha. Pranin, Prani. That is why it is covered under special. There are so many exceptions in. Okay, just a minute. I have Shabda Manjari. Page 89. You are right. I mistook in that way. It should be Ikaranta, as you say. Pullinga. Pradi Shabda. Yeah. Pradi means very intelligent. Prakrushtadihi asya saha. So it should be read like Pradihi. Ikaranta Pullinga. Ikaranta.
Yeah.
Generally in the beginning we tell all Strilinga Shabdas end in Dirghas. Ikaranta Nadi Shabda is only there. Gauri, Nadi, etc. But there are Akaranta Pullinga Shabda is also there.
Rare case.
Generally rare cases. Ikaranta Pullinga Shabda, this is Sudhihi. So Pranihi, Praniyau, Pranyau, Pranyaha. No, that is not derived, but Sudhi is given. Bahushreyasi Shabdo ayam evam kintu tasya pratamaikavachane Bahushreyasi iti. There are many Shabdas like Ikaranta Pullinga, Vataprami, antelope. Ikaranta Pullinga, Senani. Ikaranta, Senani. Senanihi, Senanyau, Senanyaha. So even in Senanyaha, you are not getting that Ikaranta. Kavayaha, like you get it like Kavayaha. So that is, now what is the meaning? It is explained. Dinasya Pranihi. Dinasya Pranihi, the bringer of the day. Dina Pranihi iti atra Suryasya Paryaya Shabdaha dattah kalu. Dinasya Pranihi. Pranihi nama, one who brings, the bringer. The bringer of the day. Asya Udayena Dinam Bhavati. Devasaha Bhavati iti. So that is how it is interpreted. Dina Pranihi. Okay, bringer of the day. Okay, Vaijayanti Kosha. See how many koshas are there? Medini Kosha, Vaijayanti Kosha, Vachaspatyam is there, then Amara Kosha is there. Amara Kosha is the most popular one. Lastly, Srinivas? Visham. I think this also we did earlier. Visham. Visha Dhatu, Srinivas. Visha. Viprayoge Visha Vyaptau. Visha Dhatu is there, Vyaptau. This is third conjugation also. First conjugation also it is there, Vishati. Vevesti. It is interpreted, I think, earlier or some note, last class note, I don't have. Vevesti, we have come across. Vevesti spreads Kayam, Deham iti. We have already done last class, I suppose, somewhere. Anyway, Visham is that Vevesti iti. Deham Vevesti. It spreads into the body. Vishadhatu is there. Vevesti is Atmane. Veveste or Vevesti. Uvaya it is. So, Vyaptau. Vevesti Kayam Deham iti. Visham. And also there is one more interpretation. Visha Viprayogi, separation. Viprayoga means separation. So it separates the body from the soul. The soul from the body, sorry. Visha Viprayoga, a person who is poisoned is separated from his body. So in that sense also we have to understand Visham. Visha Viprayoge, in separation. There it becomes Vishnati. Not Vevesti, Vishnati. Atmanam Dehat. Not given, I am giving this interpretation. Vishnati Duri Karoti Deham Atmanaha Deham. Atmanam Dehat. Vishnati Duri Karoti Atmanam Dehat Kayat. In that sense we can understand Visham also. Garalam. Shveda, acha, okay, one is more. That is Shvedaha, Pullinga, that is Shveda Shabda. Shveda. Actually it is Kshvedaha, Srinivas. There is a printing mistake. Not Shve, Kshve. You understand? Kshve. 1 minute, let me correct it. Shvedaha. This is. Let them have a look at that. Dhatu is also there. Bhuadigana, first class. Snehana mochanayoho, to wet, to release. Snehana mochanayoho, that is the dhatu artha. Kshveda nama, to wet, to be wet, to release. Again the same thing is coming, like Visha. Just now I explained, na, Visha Viprayoge.
Yeah.
Shveda also means that same. Snehana, to be wet, to release. This is first class. Kshvedati. Srinivas.
Yes.
Kshvedati means separates. Releases. Again it means releases. Kshvedati nama releases. Munchati. Kam munchati? Atmanam munchati. Kasmat munchati? Dehat munchati. By taking that, it gives release to the soul from the body. So, like Visham only, because it is also Paryaya Padana. Kshvedaha nama Visham. Kshvedati iti Kshvedaha. Kshvedati nama munchati. Kam munchati? Atmanam munchati. Kasmat munchati? Dehat munchati. So, that is how this is. This is Ubhaya Pada. Kshvedati, Kshvedate also. Because Atmane Pada and also. That is one. Then Garalam. Gru Dhatu is there. Gru Nigarane, to swallow. Gru Dirga Nigarane, swallowing. It is sixth class Dhatu. Girati. It becomes Girati. And sometimes it is used with Ni Upasarga. Nigirati, Nigilati, Nigalati. Nigirati means swallows totally. Now again, what swallows? It swallows the body. We can't say it swallows the soul. Nayamatma. Nahanyati anyamani sharire, isn't it? So I can't say Garalam Deham Nigarati. Deham Girati Natu Atmanam Tatra. So it swallows, it consumes the body, not the soul. So in that sense, Girati iti, Girati Jivam, life. It swallows the life. That is the interpretation. Girati Jivam, Girati Jivam iti Garalam. Guru Nigarani. Srinivas? It swallows, devours, English you can say devouring, consuming. Now Visham is already explained. So iti amara question. But I'll see if I can give a printout later. They will be also benefit. Avadheyam karmani prayogasya vishaye. Kutra karmani prayogaha vartate atra. Where is karmani? Why is he giving special instruction? Shakyate Shakyo vareyitum jalena. Okay, it's all right. Ekadasham abhyasa. Srinivas, sloka puranam. Shakyaha vareyitum.
Shakyo vareyitum jalena hutabhuk kshatrena suryatapo nagendro nishitankushena samado dandena gogardhabho vyadhirbheshaja sangrahaischa vividhair mantra prayogairvisham sarvasyaushadhamasti shastra vihitam murkhasya nastyaushadam.
Okay, sloka they can look and copy it. Next, Dvitiya Amsha Sloke Asmin Vidyamanani Akaranta Pullinga Pratamaika Vachana. Sankalayya Likata. Akaranta Pumlinga Pratamaika Vachananta. Pratama. What are they? Shakyaha. Then Akara. Suryatapaha 2. Yes, Shakyaha Surya. Nagendraha 3. Samadaha. We can also take this Gogardhabhau, but that is not Prathama. Gogardhabhau, Prathama, Dvitiya also it is. It is available in Dvitiya also. So we can't take them. Okay. Veshaja sangrahaischa vividhaihi mantra prayogaihi visham sarvasya vishmasti shastravitam. That's all. So how many you got? Suryatapaha, Nagendraha, Samadaha, 4. Vyadihi is not Akaranta, na? He is asking Akaranta. So 4 are there. 4. Next, Tutiyamshaha, Akaranta Pullinga Shastyaika Vachananta Pade Sankalayya Likata. Now collect Akaranta Pullinga Shasti Eka Vachana. So not many. Is only two is asking. Na?
सर्वस्य मूर्खस्य.
That's it. सर्वस्य मूर्खस्य. सर्वस्य इति अकारान्त एकः पुल्लिङ्गशब्दः, अन्यः मूर्खस्य. विग्रहवाक्यानि लिखत. सूर्यातपः, सूर्यस्य आतपः. जलप्रवाहः, जलस्य प्रवाहः. गृहसङ्केतः,
गृहस्य सङ्केतः.
सर्वत्र तत्र षष्ठी. यानसङ्ख्या, यानस्य संख्या, द नंबर ऑफ द वेहिकल. दीनबन्धुः, दीनस्य बन्धुः, relative to the suffering. Deva puja, devasya. But sometimes you can also give devanam puja also. It could be ekavachana, it could be bahuvachana. Depending on our requirement we put it. Over samasa. पंचमांशः आवरणे दत्त पदस्य सहकारेण वाक्यं सहकारेण. दिस इज हिंदी. हिंदी इज इट संस्कृत. साहाय्येन विषयेन सहकारेण he is using that. I am not able to read that. ओके. सूर्यातपः छत्रेण वारयितुं शक्यः. छत्र शब्दस्य तृतीयायां प्रयोगः अत्र कृतः. युद्धे डैश डैश शत्रुं जेतुं शक्यः. यस. शक्यं शत्रुं जेतुं शक्यं. युद्धे शत्रुं जेतुं शक्यः also it can be. Okay. Oh, just a minute. शक्यः only. शत्रुं जेतुं शक्यः. ओके. ग्रन्थः छात्रेण पठितुं शक्यः. ग्रन्थः शक्यः, छात्रेण पठितुं शक्यः. देन् फोर्थ. दुष्टः दण्डेन निग्रहीतुं शक्यः. दण्डेन. तृतीय. एवरीवेयर इज वांटिंग यू टू मेक, बट इन दैट केस सेकंड वन. युद्धे शत्रुणा जेतुं शक्यः could also be there if it is intended. Tritiya, if you put Shatru Shabda, Tritiya Shatruna. Yuddhe Shatruna Jetum Shakyah. It is possible for an enemy to win in the war also.
But third one also we have used Tugunantam. So Patitum.
Chatrena. No, that is why Grantaha Chatrena Patitum Shakyah. Chatrena. Chatram na. So here Yuddhe Shatruna Jetum or Shatrum Jetum. Syntactic problem. Anyway. Dushta is very clear. Dushtaha Dandena. Tritiya only comes here. Fifth. Lekhanya Kavita Lekhitum Shakya. Tumunanta. Lekhanya by the pen, Kavita a poem, Lekhitum to write Shakya is possible. Now this Shakya is becoming, why Shakya? Because Kavita is Strilinga, that is what. Kavita Shakya is possible. And then you take Yuddhe Shatruhu Jetum Shakyah. Shatruhu only, not Shatrum. Shatruhu only, Srinivas. Yuddhe Shatruhu Jetum Shakyah. What we said? Shatrum. Shatruna. No, not that way. Not coming. Sense is not coming perfectly. Yuddhe Shatruhu Jetum Shakyah is also correct. An enemy can win in the war. Enemy. Shatruhu Shakyah. Jetum Shakyah. Kutra Yuddhe Samare. Just like this. What word? Lekhanya Kavita Lekhitum Tumunanta Shakya. Kavita Shakya. Kimartam Lekhitum. Kaya Kena Prakareena Lekhanya. That is. their selection is not that. Kambalena shaityam sodum shakyam. Kambala shabda is napumsak. Kambalena shaityam sodum shakyam. It is possible to bear the cold by blanket. Kambalena by the blanket. Sodum to bear. Shaityam cold. Shakyam. So Shakya Shabda is mostly becoming, here Shak is there. You have to use only this.
Yeah.
So we will rapidly sum it up. Yuddhe Shatruhu Jetum Shakyaha. Or Shatrum Jetum Shakyaha. Whichever way. Grantaha Chatrena Patitum Shakyaha. Dushtaha Dandena Nigrahitum Shakyaha. Lekanya Kavita Lekitum Shakya. Kambalena Shaityam Sodum Shakyam Ante Shakyam. Shashtamshaha Sarvasya Aushadamasti. Sarvasya, what do you want? Diktasthana. Aushadam. Shastra Vitam. Aushadamasti. Sarvasya Shastra Vitam Aushadamasti. Nagendra. What do you feel? Nagendra. Nishitankushena Nagendra. Samadaha? No, two are blanks. Why is he given? Nishitankushena Nagendra. Suryatapaha Chatrena. Maybe. Something like that. Suryatapaha Chatrena. It's okay. It's not everything. Last one. What do you think? Riktasthana? Nasti. Murkasya Nasti Aushadham. Shardula Vikridita Vrittasya Lakshanam Nigrika. This is given on page 41, please. It is Suryashvairyadi Masajau Satata Gaha. That is it. The Yati is on 12th. Surya and Ashwa means 7th. So on 12th you pause and on the 19th syllable otherwise you pause. That is Shardula Vikriditam. Then Suryashvairyadi Masajau Satata Gaha. Slokasya Saramsham Samskrita Bhashaya Likata. This we have to. Srinivas, you can take and read. Little, very little you can read, I will write it out. Just read it. I have made it into one sentence only. Gharmagni Madagaja Go Rasa, Go Rasabha Vyadi Varanam Shastrokta Ritya Chatra Jala Nishitankusha, or we can put a dash for them to understand after every word. Chatra Jala Nishitankusha Dandaushadha Mantraihi Shakyate Parantu Murkasya Nasti Aushadam. This is a brief summarizing. Saramsha means in Saramsha. You can tell me. If you want, I will break the words, that will be better. Abhyasa? 12, 11. 11, Srinivas. Right? What is the Amsha number? Last? 8. Abhyasa 11 only, na?
Yes.
Yeah, 11. Now read.
Gharmagni Madagaja
Gharmagni Madagaja Gaurasabha
Vyadi Vishadinam
वारणं
शास्त्रोक्तरीत्या छत्र जल
This pen is also, yeah. Chhatra.
छत्र जल
Now I'll put for just more clarity. Jala.
निशितांकुश.
This is one word we will take here. निशितांकुश.
दंडौषध.
Danda. Here you sandhi you have dandaushadha.
Dash मंत्रैः.
मंत्रैः.
शक्यते. परन्तु
मूर्खस्य
नास्ति औषधम्.
Now you can read once. That is Gharma means heat, sunlight, Suryatapa, Agni, Madagaja, Gau, Rasabha, donkey, Vyadhi, Vyadhi, Visha Adinam. Vyadhi Vishadinam. Varanam, prevention, Shastrokta Ritya.
छत्र जल निशितांकुश दंडौषध मंत्रैः शक्यते. परन्तु मूर्खस्य नास्ति.
Very simple. So एवं अस्माकं एकादशमः अभ्यासः सुसम्पन्नः जातः. इदानीं नूतनः श्लोकः, श्लोकसङ्ख्या 12. श्रीनिवास पठ्यते.
साहित्य संगीत कला
विहीनः साक्षात् पशुः पुच्छ विषाणहीनः. तृणं न खादन्नपि मानः. तृणं न खादन्नपि जीवमानः. तद्भागधेयं परमम्. अस्मिन् श्लोके भर्तृहरिः नरपशु विषयकं तत्र किमपि वक्ति. नररूपेण तत्र पशवः सन्ति. अनन्तरम् अन्यः कश्चन श्लोकः आगच्छति श्रीनिवास, यत्र मनुष्यरूपेण मृगाश्चरन्ति इति सः उद्घोषयति. मनुष्यरूपेण मृगाः चरन्ति, येषां न विद्या न दानं न तपो न दानम् इति तत्र केचन गुणाः वर्णिताः सन्ति. तेषां गुणानाम् अभावे मानवः इव न भवति, परन्तु पशुतुल्यः एव, पशुरेव. अत्र अस्मिन् श्लोके अपि तस्य अभिप्रायः स एव. किं वक्ति, किं घोषयति? साहित्य संगीत कला विहीनः. एतेषु त्रिषु यदि एकेनापि यदि युक्तः भवति पुरुषः मानवः, स मानव एव भवति. साहित्यं जानाति चेत् सः मनुष्यः इति कथितुं शक्यः भवति. यदि संगीतं जानाति, संगीतं शृणोति अथवा संगीतं जानाति, संगीतं तत्र रमते, यदि रममाणः वर्तते संगीतं संगीतकलां, तर्हि सः मनुष्यः इति कथयितुं वक्तुं शक्यते. यदि कला तत्र 64 कलाः सन्ति, 64 कलासु एकयापि कलया यदि युक्तः भवति मनुष्यः, एकया न्यूनातिन्यूनम् एकया कलया युक्तः यदि भवति तर्हि सः मनुष्यः इति कथितुं वक्तुं शक्यते। परन्तु एतेषु त्रिषु गुणेषु एकेनापि न युक्तः तर्हि सः पशुः एव। साहित्यसङ्गीतकलाविहीनः साक्षात् पशुः, स मनुष्यः नरः साक्षात् पशुरेव। पुच्छविषाणहीनः, केवलं मनुष्यस्य तस्य पुच्छं न भवति, विषाणं नाम तत्र शृङ्गद्वयं न भवति। यथा पशूनां विषये शृङ्गद्वयं भवति, शृङ्गौ भवतः पुच्छं भवति, अन्ते पुच्छविषाणहीनः पशुः एव साक्षात्। So man is like an animal without the horns, I mean the, what do you call the, shunga is horns and the tail. When Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinaha Trunam na khadan, then he says, what a great credit, Trunam na khadan napi jivamanaha, though living without the only concession given to the animals, not to the human being, that this fellow Narapashuhu Trudam na khadan, not by not eating the grass, living by not eating the grass, tad bhagadheyam paramam pashunam, tad trunam na khadati iti tad bhagadheyam, kesham bhagadheyam pashunam mahat paramam bhagadheyam. That is the greatest luck, fortune of the animal, that he does not eat the grass. Had he started eating the grass of the animals, he is an animal already condemned without these qualities. But had he started eating the grass, the animals would have died of starvation. Trunam na khadannapi jivamanaha tad paramam bhagadheyam pashunam. That is the greatest luck for the animals, that this human being called animal does not eat. He lives without eating the grass. Supposing he has taken to eating grass, then animals would have been finished. That is what he says. Oh, heavy condemnation. People without. So, you should understand the importance of Sahitya, you should understand the importance of Sangeeta, you should also understand fine arts here, Kala. Padachedam kurma. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihina Sakshat Pashuhu Puchcha Vishana Hinaha Trunam na Khadan Jivamanaha Sat Tat Bhagadeyam Paramam Pashunam. Padaparachayam Srinivas. Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinaha
Sakshat Adeyam Pashuhu Akantum Prathama Ekvachana Puchcha Vishana Hinaha Akantum Prathama Ekvachana Samastapadam Trunam Akanta Napumsaka Prathama Ekvachanam Na Avyayam Khadan Khada iti dhatu Shatrupratyayam Pullinga Padam Api Avyayam Jivamanaha Jiva plus Shanach Pullinga Padam Tad Shabda Akanta Napumsaka Prathama Ekvachana Sarvanama Bhagadeyam Akanta Napumsaka Prathama Ekvachanam Paramam Akanta Napumsaka Prathama Ekvachanam Avyaya Padam Pashuna Tukaranta Pullinga Shashti Bahuvachanam.
Very simple words are there, I'm just looking at it. Akansham Bhavati becomes. Kaha Bhavati, who becomes? Pashuhu Bhavati becomes an animal. Kaha Pashuhu Bhavati, who becomes an animal? Sahitya Sangeeta Kala Vihinaha, understood, Manavaha, Naraha, Pashuhu Bhavati. So either of the three, Sahitya or Sangeeta, or like that they say, Sangeeta Vishaye, they katayendina, Shishurvetti, Pashurvetti, Veti Gana Rasam Phani. Sangeeta is so powerful that Shishuhu, nowadays we know how the little tots are playing according to the music nowadays with the cell phone and all. Shishurvetti, Pashuhu Vetti, Veti Gana Rasam Phani. Even a snake also knows, appreciates the music. A child, just infant, baby also can appreciate, and also animals. No, that is the power of Sangeeta. Tadrushah prabhavah Sangite asti. Samyak Geetam Sangeetam. What is Sangeetam? Well sung. When you recite a poem, when you sing a song in a rhythmic way, that is called music. We can't read a poem like a prose. So also a song should be sung. So samyak geetam. What is well sung, beautifully sung, that is called music. So that is the power of the Sangeeta. I can give you one incident. One is, it's happened in Amul, I think, Gujarat, in India. One person was very much used to play one cassette every day in the morning, and by listening to the music of that cassette, the cows used to give beautiful milk without any. They used to give out milk. One day it so happened that that person forgot to play the cassette, and all the cows were not responding to, they were not giving milk. They were not ready for milking. He did not understand what happened. Then he suddenly recollected, oh, today I have forgotten to play the music. Went on and played. And they say it was reported that was the Bismillah Khan Shenai. The cows, the animals were so used to listen to that music, only on listening they would release the milk. So, Shishurveti, Pashurveti is done there. So that is next. Kidrushaha Pashuhu, what type of animal does he become?
Sakshat Pashuhu.
He is a direct animal, there is no other. Saha Manushaha Punaha Kidrushaha Pashubhavati, that man becomes an animal like what?
Saha Puchha Vishana Hinaha Pashuhu.
Puchha Shrunga Hinaha. He is an animal without tail and horn. He becomes like that. Saha Manushaha Katham Jivamanaha Bhavati. How does he get along? Saha. He not eating that man not eating the grass, living by not eating the grass, he becomes an animal. Tat Pashunam Kim. What is that to the animals?
Tat Pashunam Paramam Bhagadeyam.
That is the Paramam, the highest Bhagadeyam, luck, merit to the animal, that this man animal does not eat the Truna. I think we can stop here. Anvayartham Agamini Kakshayam Pashyama. Shubham Bhuyat.